A journey begins with a dream. A dream to conquer the future. And a vision begins to emerge. In 1971, a vision began to take shape in India. A vision called Sulphur Mills Limited. After almost 5 decades, Sulphur Mills today is the largest manufacturer of the new delivery systems-based crop protection and nutrition products in the world.
We are a technology-based company with a team of passionate technocrats constantly working to provide innovative solutions to our farmers.
Right from the beginning, we were sure we wanted to be different.
Sulphur Mills Limited has invested heavily in setting up state-of-the-art, high-capacity manufacturing facilities for WDG and various types of capsulated suspensions using multiple actives that enable it to be the world's leading producer of sulphur-based and other various products for application in agriculture.
Sulphur Mills is planning to increase their manufacturing capacity to beyond 100,000 metric tons a year for WDGs alone.
It is our mission to search for better solutions than that are available to the farmer today, and the key towards that is constant innovation. Dave Research Center is a state-of-the-art R&D facility set up by SML. It is the only privately owned research facility set up to develop different formulations right from development to scale up to pilot to commercial for SML as well as other companies.
We have 15 products which are national leaders in their segments. And we enjoy a vast network of over 10,000 dealerships and over 40 warehouses across the country. Domestically, Sulphur Mills offers a vast range of products in crop protection as well as the nutrition segments.
Once we prepare this groundwork of right people and right channel, the sky is the limit in India.
SML wants to be a globally recognized player serving the farmers with the customer-centric approach.
Our marketing and product development teams are continuously working to reach the farmers all over India.
Our personnel are directly linked to the end users, the farmers, through our strong sales network. These personnel also ceaselessly endeavour to further the awareness of our new formulations and products.
Our products are necessities, and therefore our products must give the farmer the requisite solution that he seeks.
Sulphur Mill wants to provide complete solution to the farmer from seed to harvest.
We have nutrition, plant nutrition and plant production. Hardly any company have this type of range.
India, the rising Asian powerhouse of the century, is a vast and diverse cultural, historical and geographical landscape of the future. Having had a presence of over 4 decades in the domestic arena, Sulphur Mills have been at the forefront of bringing innovative agri-solutions to farmers in this vast and ever-expanding Indian crop protection and crop nutrition market.
Domestic market, earlier we started with selling directly to distributors and dealers. We realized that we cannot reach many number of farmers as we would have liked it to.
When we were in the crop protection segment, our team tended to be with the farmers only perhaps at the time of application of that particular product.
After a few years, we said we must do something different, something innovative.
Concept selling is the first point, as it needs to reach to the farmer.
Ever since we were able to have this foray into the nutrient segment, our team has realized that they must engage with the farmer almost entirely through his crop cycle.
And hence we decided to employ hundreds of BSc agriculture graduates and make them go to the farmer and give explanation, trials, live demonstrations for our products.
We warmly welcome all of you on behalf of Sulphur Mills Limited. Today we have organized a field day here. On this plot, we will examine the treated cotton crop.
So today actually they are explaining the farmers what is the benefit of our complete solution of the REAP portfolio.
All the team members have their targets and as per season and crop, they are giving demonstration and schedule products they are using.
Our company's officers and field assistants regularly visit not only this plot, but also other plots in nearby villages. Time to time, we offer support and guidance as required.
on the field we are saying what exactly application they have done, what is the results, and whether farmers is satisfied or not.
The portfolio that we want to set, there has to be a business case for every product that we want to do.
Why do we want to innovate or develop that specific product?
For me, the first customer is a plant need. Then the farmer.
You must be able to identify what his real needs are, what are the problems he seeks.
When crop requires a particular nutrient and there is a demand for an additional yield that to be produced by a farmer.
And what are the present solutions that are there for it?
And why hasn't this need been addressed so far?
Then our whole strategy is to work towards meeting those crop requirements.
And then gear your R&D towards providing an optimum solution to him.
Logistics, knowledge and experience of people are very critical in positioning a product in each region.
Our applied development team takes this particular product, sets a protocol and takes these options to various universities for extensive field trials across various geographies.
So if it is a north market, it requires a different approach to position a product. Maybe in west, it requires a different approach to position it.
Until we finally fructify and bring this product into commercial application.
So timing is a different, crop segment is important, and the dealer involvement is a different.
A product that works effectively and at an optimal cost.
સલ્ફરમિલ કંપનીની પ્રોડક્ટો પણ તમે બધા વાપરો છો કારણ કે તમારા ગામની
Amongst many other sales activities, the night meetings are considered the most effective.
સલ્ફરમિલ લિમિટેડ તરફ से आप સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું.
These meetings have the highest level of participation from the local farmers, due to which SML personnel are able to reach out and connect with the largest number of end users.
Those who are sales person or development person, they will have the permanent journey plan for the month and for the year also, and the same journey plan they will communicate to the HO people. So HO people they will align their journey plan to field, and they will randomly check whenever they will go to the field, and they will see whether the things are happening as per our requirement or as per our plan, HO planning.
સલ્ફરમિલ કંપનીમાંથી
SML company staff visits us every Wednesday and Saturday to conduct field visits, one-on-one meetings, offer demos, conduct farmer meetings and dealer training programs as well.
Yes, relation is very important in the business. Farmers wants the complete solution of his crop problem, and we have full range, and our team was cultivated to give the complete solution of the problem. We are not just selling one product or another, but from the sowing to harvesting we are giving complete solution, and that's why farmers are keeping a lot of relation with our team. When there is some issues, they are calling to our team, and our team is visiting their field, and they are just really suggesting the right product, and that's why with a low cost they are getting very good yield.
Dr. Parasara and Mr. Sharma have called the entire Himmatnagar team for a field day at SML's test fields nearby.
Fertis plus Technojet, I think this is good and sufficient, and we can see the result also.
Mr. Sharma goes over the fine details of application of Techno-Z and the expected results post-application, assured that the team is now better informed and well prepared to service their customers.
India is a very, very fragmented market. We have very small land holdings. We have millions and millions of farmers. And to take the benefits of the technology to the last mile farmer was the biggest challenge that we face.
Distribution psyche for each region is different. One model cannot be applied across the country, across the regions in Indian context. So therefore, it's very essential for a business to adopt a localized models, a customized models rather. That's the reason SML has a strategy to develop 4 regions, south, west, north and east. Each region demands are different, each region position strategy will be different.
So Techno-Z is the best zinc product enriched with the ORT technology which will fulfill the zinc requirement in your crops.
We are expecting that maximum farmers should visit this plot, and they must be convinced for our product, and our activity must be converted into sale, and farmers should utilize better product. because our product is better than existing product.
We follow from the HO level and from the getting the weekly update about the complete information, and then random visit at the field level to see the monitoring whether they are doing the proper demonstration or not.
Engaging with the farmers on whose lands these demonstrations have been carried out at various stages of his crop cycle.
We are doing field demonstrations from a nursery to main crop. And in nursery, we show the result to the farmer, and on seeing the results in nursery, the farmer is adapting using our products in the main field. And we do field days once the demo is completed.
TechnoZ हा जो product आहे कंपनीचा TechnoZ, तर TechnoZ काय आहे?
It's not enough in the case of a nutrient to have a demonstration, have a field day and then pass on. No, you have to come back to him after about 25 days, again compare the various stages of the crop versus an untreated field, come back to him again after 60 days, perhaps after 90 days in the case of cotton, even during his second flush and third flush, go to him and show him the difference that the product has made to his crop as compared to a non-treated crop.
Continuous effort is going on in marketplace with around 400 people working with the farmer to develop the concept there and also making farmer to use our technology-led products.
While working with the farmers, we think like a farmer. मी एकाच बाजूने सांगणार नाही, तुमचीही जर काही अडीअडचणी असतील तर त्या तुम्ही विचारा.
How and when is TechnoZ applied in grape?
How do we use Hydroman?
The best way of using FERT is for drip irrigation.
Our marketing and product development teams are continuously working to reach the farmers all over India.
Now these people have started a very good activity. They have prepared one Reap Parivar. We are going to the farmers, giving the idea of what is the benefit of that Parivar.
Sulfamin strength is very good in field work.
SML staff regularly visit and share valuable information about the kind of products to use and methods of use, etc.
I got the support from the sales team. They are going to the farmers level and they give the demonstrations. They tell the farmers information about their new products and also the efficiency of the product.
There is a complete strategy involving all the stakeholders.
We try to do joint meeting with seed companies. We try to do joint meeting with companies that propagate drip irrigation. We engage the Department of Agriculture personnel, the ADOs, show them that what this product and what this technology can do. Because the more people that really take this product to the farmers, the greater and faster the awareness of the product would be.
As a part of corporate social responsibility, SML contributes by providing resources like notebooks, etc. to students in schools in the far-reaching interiors of India, with an idea to work for the welfare of schools, students, and also connect with potential future farmers. Across India, SML has distributed more than 1.8 million notebooks over 3,500 schools till now. SML's dedicated drive to touch the lives of Indian farmers through their ever-expanding sales network across India with consistent positive interactions and on-ground support is further strengthened by SML's commitment to consistently provide Indian farmers with better products, better solutions and a better future. SML is now ready to expand their vision beyond the spectrum of their own products by extending and sharing the benefits of their highly skilled, motivated and trained workforce and a vast developed domestic sales network with other like-minded companies with a view to discover newer horizons together for a better tomorrow so that all of us may reap the benefits.